Greetings, Earthlings. I am Professor Crowley. I'm here with...
Trixie, hi!
She's in a better mood today, excited for the day ahead. And the reason why she's excited is because today I'm not the teacher. She's going to be teaching herself. Because you already basically know this, but basically today Trixie is going to be doing PE, physical education. There's going to be some, where's there?
Yoga.
Yoga. Some exercises.
Some breathing exercises.
And breathing exercises. Fantastic. And while she's doing all that, I, of course, won't be able to take part. I'm going to be busy, preparing lessons for the coming days, also for later on today, because we're not just doing PE today. Trixie has already done about an hour of English, and we're going to be doing some maths later on today as well, but those lessons won't be available today. We're just doing the PE one for you guys at home today. So while she's doing that with you guys, I'm going to be prepping lessons. I'm also going to be prepping dinner for later on. And yeah, just trying to tidy, of course. So I'm doing the grown-up jobs, okay? You do the... Yeah. So yeah, do you want to take it away?
Yeah, sure.
Let's go for it.
Today's the day that you will hear me more.
Yes, finally. You don't have to listen to my drony, boring voice all day, because Trixie is here to save the day.
Welcome to Trixie's exercise. If you follow my routine, you're going to stay fit, healthy and happy. We're going to do one exercise every 40 seconds. After every exercise, we'll have a 20-second break. And there's going to be 5 exercises. The first one's going to be marching. Give yourself plenty of room. So let's get on with it. like this. From this side. Okay, so this one is going to be the final one. Climbing the rope like this. Starts now. Oh, that was a tough little workout. Right. Now we're going to be doing yoga exercises. So, yeah. Now we are going to be doing meditating.
Wow, so how fantastic was that? Trixie, you did such a good job. I was really, really busy at the time. I couldn't take part. Although I might take part in one of the future ones.
The cooking one?
No, I mean one of the future PE ones. Because I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I could do with losing a few pounds. So I think it might be an idea for me to sort of follow in your footsteps. We'll see what happens. But I just want to say, what you did today was absolutely fantastic, and I hope all of you at home enjoyed that, and you can do it when you get the time. So yeah. But for right now, that's it for today's episode.
Oh, and one more thing. Make sure to get our merchandise. A link in description down below.
Yes, we have created some merch. I am going to put the link down below, so please have a look at that, see if anything tickles your fancy. There should be something on there for everyone, all ages, all sizes, male, female, undecided, all of that good stuff.
One day I might wear it in one of these videos.
Yeah, we really should. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let us know how you're getting on. Everyone's stuck at home, so we hope to hear from a lot of you.
And hit that notification bell.
Notification bell.
Yes.
You heard it here first. Ding dong.
It should go grey and say subscribed.
Oh, okay. But until next time, peace.
Peace.